Yes, baby.
Could you imagine your life without me? Baby, I'm pregnant.
You have insurance?
Sky high all the time in the wind.
Yeah, I'm going to LA. Moving, actually.
I'm here for Blonde Priest.
Are you like religious?
I'm here for their concert.
They're like a rock band.
Bravo! 5.
What?
Until you came along.
No, there's no need. It was my fault. You see, I'm daltonic. I'm colorblind.
What color are your shoes?
Gray, like everything else.
Well, I can drop you off in LA. I mean, I'm heading that way.
Yeah? Would you? It's gonna be super. Make it bounce.
Not that kind of car.
Mexicans!
Stop. Brakes.
I'd like 3 kids. 1 of each.
You have any drugs in the car?
You! Turn around! Thanks for stopping, sir.
I had business in LA, a taxi company. I have 11 cars, 16 drivers, mostly hot Ukrainian bitches.
I'm sure it's different from crack money. But green is green.
I'm not sure I'll ever stop wondering about girls who pass by. You know, the ones you see for only about a couple of seconds. Walking down the street, sitting in a car at a red light, playing with their phones in a cafe. It's for those couple of seconds that your eyes beg you to let them steal more of her.
I have seen a dream die. I know what it feels like.
How many guys have you been with?
25.
Not bad.
How about yourself? How many girls?
About 60, I think.
Very good.
Yeah.
Let's mix our fears with drinks and